Welcome back. And this is something different. It's all natural, baby. I'm locking my hair, instant lock method, and I'm bringing y'all on this journey with me. Let me say it was not easy. It was not quick. And it was very tedious. But on the other side, the outcome was worth it. So yeah. Let's get into it. Separating my hair front and back sections, and then put this front section into about 12 parts or rows. So when starting this, you have to do a back combing first. Like, you want to get your hair to be frizzy, a little wild, bushy, or woolly, because you want to have something for the crochet hook to actually latch on to and wrap. And so another reason you want to make sure that you back comb is to make sure that it's not too thin. You don't want it to be too thin, because then the lock could be weak, and you don't want that from the beginning. You want it to be strong. You want it to have, more weight on it. And then, of course, as it gets older, it's going to swell up, and it's going to, it's going to do its thing. So it's not an instant, I have locks and they're strong and they're healthy. And that doesn't mean that your hair isn't healthy, but they're not strong because, they still have to go through, like I said, the swelling and the expanding and, gain the extra weight from, the dead hair that's going to be, later on wrapped into it. And, all those things. And, of course, as that goes along, you can just continue to take care of your hair and add to the strength and the growth and the greatness and, all of that good stuff. So here's just a picture of what they're looking like so far. And then I'm going to just continue to show you guys on the last few that I have left. This is like the last or the second to last. It may just be the last, but I'll try to get a better view and a better angle. And again, you start off with the back combing, and you want to make sure you twist from the root, at the root, and you make sure that you get a good twist in, and you twist the little ways down about half an inch before you start to crochet. So as you move down the shaft of the section, you want to twist between your fingers and make sure to keep the crochet hook itself at a slight angle while you're crocheting the hook in and out. And I'll show you a closer look at how I'm doing it exactly later on in the video, but it's really just, if I can describe it in words, is you put the hook through the section or through the hair, and you hook the outside frizzy parts of the hair onto the hook, and you bring it back into the middle, and then you push back out to the side, and then you bring it back into the middle. So you kind of, like I said, tedious. Do the same thing over and over, literally just in and out with the hair as you twist between your fingers. I feel like the real trick or the real secret to it is really just keeping your hook at an angle, and it's more so the in and out motion isn't just straight across in and out. It's more so like a swooping in and out motion, like a circular motion. So if you can try to picture it that way, you're swooping in and swooping out. Maybe I'll just slow it down so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about and exactly the motion that I mean, because it's real simple, but it's kind of hard to catch in the beginning if you of course haven't done this before. So just take your time with it. It's a process. As you can see, at this point I got it, because my first few little twists that I did, I had to do them a few times because they would not stay locked, twisted up. They were not doing that. Once I let go, they would untwist completely. And if you can see now, I untwist, and it's, it's staying in place. You can see it's already for a real lock. And it looks good, it looks strong, but however, it's not as strong and stiff as a more mature lock would look. But yeah, and I'm leaving the ends out so they can be curly. I wanted to have a little feminine look to it. Yeah, because I just love the little locks with the curly ends. It just looks so cute. Little boho type style, that's me. And I am done. I'm going to wash them. I'm going to, of course, still wash, condition, do the leave-in, do my oils, do my curls, because I still want my hair to be soft and be manageable and grow and be just luxurious. Like, I want to keep the shine and the length and the, what's the word I'm looking for? The strength of the hair. So I'm still going to wash and condition as I should, as I normally would. So here we are, all washed and clean and ready to retwist. And of course, it still shrank as much as it could, honey, because shrinkage is real in all natural states. So, yes, it's a little shrunken up right now, but I'm just going to go ahead and retwist it. And, yeah, I'll come back and show you guys the result. Follow me along this journey as I, continue to style and retwist and go along this new lock journey that I've embarked on. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what comes from it. I can't wait to, get you guys input and enjoy the journey with you. Much love, Ashe.